So students, that I have discussed that what is quadrant, what is positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis, what is origin. So just I am asking some questions. So I have drawn a line. What is that axis? What is the line? Quickly answer in the chat box, everyone. X-axis, yes, it is called x-axis or horizontal line. That line y-axis, and that x-axis and y-axis intersect at a point. What is the name of that point? What is the name of that point? That x-axis and y-axis intersect at a point. What is the name of that point? Yes, origin. Okay, next question. What is the coordinate of that origin? What is the coordinate of that origin? Write down the coordinate of the origin. Yes, 0, 0 is the coordinate of origin. That point is called origin, and that is 0, 0. That is 0, 0. Now, these are the coordinate A, B, C, D. Okay, that fourth quadrant A, B, C, D. Then A means which quadrant? First, second, third, fourth. A, B, C, D denotes, A denotes which quadrant, B denotes which quadrant, C denotes which quadrant, and D denotes which quadrant. Tell me in the chat box. A denotes which quadrant, B denotes which quadrant, C denotes which quadrant, and D. Tell me in the chat box quickly. First A, okay, very good. A first quadrant, B second, B, okay. Okay, third, very good. First quadrant A, second quadrant B, third quadrant C, and fourth quadrant D. So it is also I have discussed. Next question that I have taken this axis, positive axis, this axis, negative axis, the positive y-axis and positive axis. Now, what is the sign convention of each quadrant? If the points are lying in a quadrant, what will be the sign convention? If, listen it carefully, if x coordinate and y coordinate, if x is positive, y is positive, then it must lie on a first quadrant. If like point 2, 3, 2, 3, okay, 2, 3, that point, both are positive, it means that point lies on the first quadrant. Okay, clear? Second, for the second quadrant, what will it sign? It is clear that first one is clear, x is positive, y is in the first quadrant, like for an example 2 is positive, 3 is positive. In the next second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. Yes, x is positive. In the second quadrant, x will be negative and y will be positive. X will be negative and y will be positive. One thing, students, like example minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. Got it, everyone? Third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative. Both are negative only in third quadrant. So third quadrant, that is like minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3. And fourth quadrant, x coordinate positive, y coordinate negative, like plus 2, minus 3. Okay, plus 2, minus 3. 2, minus 3. So just look at the board, what I've given, what I have written on the board. Next, I will ask some question only from the sign convention. Only from the sign convention. That first quadrant, x positive, y positive. Second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, both are negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive and y negative. Okay? Got it, everyone? Okay. Okay. Next, I am giving some questions. I am giving some question. You have to answer in the chat box. First, you write the coordinate space, then number quadrant. Okay, quadrant. 5 things I will give you. 5 points I will give you. First, just like answer 2, 3. Then first quadrant. Like it, you answer. Okay, just mention the in one and also mention in one comment. Okay, not first one, second one, third one. In one comment answer by observing only sign convention. Okay, do it quickly. 2 minutes time only. 2 minutes time only. Kinjal and first write down the coordinate, then arrow, then answer. In one comment you have to cover this 4 point. Okay, within 2 minutes. Okay, Sneha answer first. Okay, minus 7, 8. Okay, 7, 8. Wrong. Wrong. Oh, 7, minus. Sneha, just I am dictating the point. Minus 7, 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, plus 7, and 3, minus 4. Correct it. I am detecting the point. Minus 7, 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, 7, 3, minus 4. Okay. Minus 7, 2. Okay. Okay. Adri. Minus 7, 2, how can it possible in first quadrant, Sneha? First quadrant both are positive, x positive, y positive. Minus 7 is there, then how can it possible that that point lie on first quadrant? Adri is okay, Adri's answer is right. And Rosni, you have to mention the points also. Naina, same. Okay, I am waiting for Chandranath answer. Then I will move on another question. Okay, nobody is typing. Sir, my network is very much poor. That's why I cannot answer. Okay, so I am moving on the next question. Okay, that listen it carefully. Minus 2 comma from minus 2 comma x is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive. It means it is lying on the second quadrant. Both are negative. Third quadrant. X is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive. That is second quadrant. 3 comma minus 4. 3 minus 4, fourth quadrant. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Okay. Okay. I hope the sign convention concept is clear. If anyone have doubt, then ask me now. If anyone have doubt, ask me now. Then I will try to clear your doubt. That sign regarding sign convention. If you have any doubt, tell me. No doubt, sir. Okay, very good. Next question. Next question. I am taking. Listen it carefully. Listen it carefully. The questions. Okay. It is an MCQ question. It is an MCQ questions. First I am writing the option. Option 1, first quadrant. Option 2, fourth quadrant. Option 3, 1 and third. Option 4, 1 and 4. Okay. Okay. Listen it carefully. A point x coordinate and y coordinate have both have the same sign. Then that point may lie on option A, first quadrant, option 2, fourth quadrant, option 3, first and third quadrant, option 4, first and fourth quadrant. Okay? Listen it carefully. A point both the coordinate have same sign. That point may lie on option A, first quadrant, option B, fourth quadrant, option C, first and third quadrant, and option D, first and fourth quadrant. Quickly answer. Answer it quickly. Okay, so some of students, those who are given correct answer, I am telling their name. That Roshni, correct answer. Sneha, correct answer. Adri, correct answer. Nikita 3, option 3, Adri, okay. And okay. So they are giving, some of the students have given the correct answer. So up to these students I have discussed here, and one more video today I have uploaded. Today I have uploaded one more video. Just watch it. Then how to plot points, it will be clear. Just I am discussing one point only, how to plot points. Like now point 2, 3. How will you plot? Point 2, 3. How will you plot? No, actually I have not decided yet. I will give you it very soon. Other subjects have been given. Other subjects projects have been given. Other subject projects have been given, yes or no? Science or any Only chemistry. Okay. If it is there, very soon I will you inform. Okay. Listen. How to point x-axis in x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 3. So first here is the origin. So 2 from the x-axis 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. That point is 2, 3. Got it, everyone? How to plot the points? X is positive. That's why I will move 2 unit along positive x-axis, and as y is positive, I will move 3 unit along y-axis. So that is 2, 3. Like in this way, we will be able to plot the points. That for the plotting point, one video have been uploaded today. Watch that video. I hope the concept, the problem will be clear. Okay. So today I end this class here, students. I hope you have enjoyed this session little bit. Thank you. Bye.